Our task is to construct a square with a given side length. We need to carry out the construction in such a way that one side of the square matches the given length. To do this, we will consider two methods. First, we draw a straight line and use a compass to mark the length of the square's side on it. To do this, we set the legs of the compass so that their ends coincide with the ends of the given side. On the drawn line, we mark the obtained distance, which will become the first side of the square. We choose a point not on the line, somewhere around here, and draw a circle with the center at this point, and a radius equal to the length from this point to the end of the square's side. The circle will intersect either the side of the square or the extension of this side at a certain point. This intersection point will be used for further construction. Then, we connect this point with the center of the circle that the line intersects the circle. And now I connect the side with the point. After this, we measure the length of the square's side and mark it on the constructed perpendicular. We determine the third vertex of the square. To construct the fourth vertex of the square, without changing the compass width, place the compass needle on the third vertex of the square and make a small mark. Then, without changing the compass's position, we place the needle in the second vertex and make a small mark. The intersection point of these marks will define the fourth vertex of the square. We then connect all the vertices to complete the construction of the square. With a side length equal to the given side, This construction is based on the fact that an angle inscribed in the diameter of the circle is equal to 90 degrees. Let's proceed to the second method of constructing a square based on the given side. First, we draw a straight line and use a compass to construct a perpendicular to this line. To do this, we select an arbitrary point on the line and draw an arc using the compass. Then, we place the compass needle in another point on the line and draw another arc with the same radius. We connect the intersection points of the arcs to obtain the perpendicular. Now we will use the two perpendicular lines to construct the square. Using the compass, we measure the length of the square's side. I place the compass needle on the first vertex of the square and make the marks on the lines. These are the second and third vertices of the square. Now, without changing the compass width, I place the needle on the second vertex of the square and make a small mark like this. Without changing the compass width, I place the needle on the third vertex and make another mark. The two marks intersected at a point. This is the fourth vertex of the square. Let's connect all the vertices. The square is now constructed.